it's me, and we're at the next part of Ratchet and Clank Into the Nexus. And we're gonna go gargathon hunting. Yeah. Basically, we're gonna go look for the rest of the gargathon horns in this part, or this may turn to more than one part. And I brought my trusty da-da-da warmonger. Yeah. Now we're gonna blow up the Now we're gonna blow up these guys with that. So basically, now that I got the hoverboard boots, basically, now I can, you know, I got this confused with Jack's equivalent of that. Yeah. Basically, the point of this video, or series, this may actually become a series. Could not, who knows. Oh, I see something. Gargathon. Let's get that gargathon down. Oh, I almost died there. But, yeah. I also just wanted to explain to you guys that I'm not planning on getting the Rhino or the gold bolts because I'm just a Let's Player, not a 100%er, you know. But I will complete the games and do the little extra stuff, not the big stuff like, you know. Actually, I don't think Proxy Playthroughs even does that, but, yeah, the Cobb Brothers usually does that whenever he Let's Play something. Yeah. You know, this is actually becoming really easy, but, you know, I could tell that there's going to be more than 30, you know. But I am planning on collecting every crystal that is, you know, existing in this area. I don't know about doing it in the regular trilogy because that might be a little bit hard, but I may try to do it in a part or so. But, yeah. I really don't have much to say now. Except, well, yeah. Well, I can say that I am definitely Let's Playing Crash Bandicoot after this, you know. I'll work on getting that later. Not thinking about getting the plumber yet, I'm just trying to get the crystals, remember? Huh. Basically, he's going to give us, the thruster pack. I know it's called the jet pack in this game, but I still call it the thruster pack, okay? Does this thing not notice me? Notice me! Come to me! Come to Papa! Oh boy. Oh darn. Got 23. We are almost got 30. But there's a lot more than 30 in this game. Trust me, a lot more. You probably didn't hear it because the volume's a little bit low, but Mrs. Zircon just said, Zircon Jr., when you're done killing stuff, go clean your room. Yeah, I love Ratchet and Clank humor. It's great. Although, I definitely love Jack and Daxter humor. For one, I would really like that video where, how I'm so dry, when Daxter gets drunk. Yeah, that was a good part. That was a funny part. But I mean, both these games reference each other a lot. Like, if you look in Going Commando, you can actually see a picture of Jak and Daxter and a few planets. I believe one of them is in Megapolis and the other is in that city where the Proapets attacked. I don't exactly remember the name.
Good going, Hoss. You bring those horns back to me and I'll get you all squared away.
Okay, just gotta take out this guy real quick and then I think we're on our way. Although this may not become a series, but it'll become a mini-series. If it gets past part 2. If it has 3 parts, it's a mini-series. You know? It's not a big series like, you know, the regular game, but it's a mini-series within the game. I'm confusing your heads!
Pleasure doing business with you.
Woohoo!
Pay a fair price for any gargathon horns you bring me.
Now, we gotta get 30 more horns. And sell more to the smuggler, I guess. Ba-bam! Okay. Number 8. Number 8. Go. Darn. I'd say this would be the equivalent to the thruster pack.
Good job, partner.
Better get some fuel. I'd probably say this is like the thruster pack, kinda. Although it's not, at the same time. They don't call it the thruster pack, so that's one reason. But it works kinda like it. Lucky number 13. Almost got it. Yep. And probably after this planet, after I get all the Gargathon horns and free the plumber, this Let's Play is basically over. Then I could move on to Crash Bandicoot. And Jak and Daxter's far from over, so we got a lot more parts for that. And just trying to get bolts, so for in case we have a... Okay, gotta refuel. That's probably one thing that makes it not like the thruster pack. Hey, you, what's up? Yeah, you. Almost got him. Ba-boom! But the enemies like these, the nether blades, are probably the best to use. But I couldn't use it since I didn't have ammo at the time. Okay. Still got 2 more minutes. Oh, oh. Fusion bomb. Well, since I'm almost out of health, we might as well end the party. Oh, darn. Well, I'm dead. And that concludes it now. See you guys next time in Gargathon Horn Hunting Part 2. Yeah, Into Nexus has stretched a pretty long way already with the arena battles, but we're continuing it. That's all I got to say. Bye.